It is March 1st, which means spring is almost here.
Yes, meteorologically it's here, right?
It's here, yes it is.
All right, the ace of space, Jennifer Baptiste, is here now with some spring cleaning tips. Welcome, we're ready to purge.
Hey, how are you guys?
We are excellent. We're getting ready for some tips to clean our houses, and boy, does mine need it.
Don't we all, with all this cold weather and being cooped up inside? It's important that when you're going through an area that you really kind of give it that freshing up and taking things out of there that don't belong before you start to wipe it down, because you're not able to get to the areas that you really need to. And you really want to start spring fresh and clean.
What does this mean? Only touch the area once.
Right, so if you were to clean something and just take everything that was there, take it out, wipe it down and put it all back, you really haven't put away anything or cleaned out anything. So you're gonna have to go back and purge it and put all this stuff away. So you're going back to it again, and you'll probably have to wipe it down again after you move stuff around. So you just really wanna do it one time. So if you do it right the first time, you won't have to go back to it.
So you focused on drop zones, which is a problem in my house, I'm sure in any house with kids. Give us a little bit of how we can keep things moving in an organized way.
Yep, so every Sunday I try and go through that area. So I'll come in and I'll look and see. You caught me yesterday. I did the before and after picture of our drop zone with snow, rain, it's warm out. All the shoes come in, get dropped because we don't wear them in the house. And I look and there's like 20 coats, 5 pairs of boots, every shoe we own. And so if every Sunday or whatever day works for you, you kind of give it a quick go through, it'll help maintain it, throughout the time.
All right.
So do you do that, or can you make the kids do it?
It's just going to go from one drop zone to another dump zone in another room if I have my kids do it. But I usually just grab them and put them away.
Okay, yeah.
Followed by a quick cleanup in the fridge by checking expiration dates and purging leftovers. Big, huge problem is my refrigerator. There's so much in there, I don't know what the heck it is.
Yeah, so everybody tries to clean their whole house in one day in one shop. If you do little bursts and go through, like I purged the refrigerator the other day before I even knew what the segment was, and then I'll go through and like wipe the bins down and clean it all out. But you want to make sure that you're going through and taking out the mystery foods and the things that expired in 2019 and stuff that'll kill you, and then clean it so that you're not just kind of defeating the purpose and cleaning it with all that stuff in there and putting it all back.
Well, I like the routines. You said Sunday for your drop zone. I was once told, and I try and do this, that you should purge your refrigerator on trash night because all the dirty food has to go out. So it's a good time to just, got to take out the trash. Let me grab a few things from the fridge that are expired.
And that's exactly what I do because our trash gets picked up on Monday. So Sunday's the day it all gets heave-hoed, and then the trash goes out Monday morning. So that way it's not sitting out there. Absolutely.
All right, don't overdo it. Start in a small area and move into the next room until it's done?
Right. So like I kind of did this drop zone here. I did my son's backpack. I started the refrigerator. So if you just do little shots in an area in the same room, you'll kind of work your way through it and the whole room will be clean before you know it. So you don't want to start here and then go to, your closet or your son's closet and do it that way. You want to finish one room and move on to the next, especially if you have cleaning people that come in. A lot of people do treat themselves to that occasionally. They can't clean around it if they can't really see it. So you want to make sure that that stuff is all put away and that one room is done, so it's really getting a good deep cleaning.
So so much of it is getting rid of stuff, and I think you've told us before, the first thing you want to do is purge before you go out and buy any new organizing things. I would be tempted right now to go buy new baskets and cute little things for spring, but absolutely the order is you purge first.
Yep, purge first and then buy what you need to accommodate that area, because what you thought you were going to need, or you're going to buy all these baskets and maybe you don't need as many. Maybe you need a new storage system or a set of cubes, or to really relook at the area and see how to make it more efficient, because you get sucked into the cute. You go to the store and they have all the displays with all the fun baskets and colors and patterns, but that's not really what you need for your area. So you really have to buy based on what it is you're trying to accommodate.
All right. Well, thank you, Jennifer. We appreciate all the help. Is your house clean?
All right. It is, actually.
Of course it is. And if you need help, you want to treat yourself, you can go to Jen's website. It's aceofspacect.com. She can help you. Or find her on Facebook or Instagram at aceofspacect.